Welcome, in front of me I have SUUNTO Race 2 and I'm gonna show you how to customize the button shortcuts on this watch. We have two button shortcuts on this watch, the upper button, press and hold, and then press and hold the lower button. And we can customize what the shortcuts basically do. To do that, we need to open the settings, so press and hold the middle button. Then find the option called Customize and tap on it. And here we have top shortcut and bottom shortcut. First let's tap on top shortcut, and here you can select what the shortcut will do. And you have options like flashlight, alarm clock, timer, do not disturb, notifications and stuff like that. So find the one you liked. For example, let's say I want to open the notifications with the upper button. Okay, and then we have the bottom shortcut. And let's say I want to use the do not disturb mode with it. And once you're on the watch face, because that's how it works, you need to be on the watch face to use the shortcuts. So if you're on the watch face, you can press and hold the upper, for example, to open the notifications, and the lower to turn on and turn off the do not disturb mode, like this. And that's how you change the button shortcuts on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.